We are so excited to finally have received this paper pack. It's from our friends at Crafter's Companion, and you may know Sarah Davies, who's right there, the owner, which she and her husband own the company. This is called Winter Wonderland. They are 12 by 12. There are 48 sheets. You're going to get 16 designs, and you're going to get 3 of each one. Now let me show you what's inside. It says right here, include special effects, so be prepared. Now this is the first sheet, and as I feel it and as I look at it, I can see some glitter going on, and we're going to get in close so you too can see it. Let me see if I hold this side. Maybe that will be better. And what I like about it is that the glitter is not rubbing off, and that's so helpful. There you go. So it's really finely placed on the border, so that's really, really nice. Here's an all-over pattern. Again, they are single-sided. Here is one that is foil, so you can see as I'm wiggling this just how very nice that is. And this is an all-over pattern again. So I guess kind of every other one has a special effect. This is another and an all-over pattern, and I'll show you how that can be used. There is some foiling. Oh, how lovely that is. Again, an all-over pattern. And this one has foil. As I lift it, you can see that shimmer and shine. Now, there are also 12 of these cutouts. These cutouts also have the glitter on them and in the background, so that's a nice touch. So you could trim them out if you wanted to. I think I would just kind of cut them out into a rectangle, let them be my, my inside greeting or maybe my focal. Here is another foil piece. I don't know if you've been counting. I should be close to the 16. This one also has glitter, and we can see that, very pretty. Here is another foil. Wow, so pretty. Now these are padded at the end. I have torn a few of these out, so that's why they're wiggling. Here is something that looks kind of neutral, but it also has the glitter in it. So let me just wiggle that for you. Really, really pretty. Here is a foil, as you can see. Here's another with some foiling on it. So there's the top of it and at the bottom. So perfect to cut into pieces if you want to make several cards out of it. And another all-over pattern. And then we're back to the first one. So those are the 16 designs. You're going to get 3 of each. Winter Wonderland, a very special paper pack. And by the way, there are cutting dies, embossing folders, foil. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and show you the foil because it goes so perfectly. Now with this, let me take my note off the back. These are A4 size, so you can think of it as sort of 8.5 by 11. It also has foiling on it. Now there are 24 sheets in this pack. You can see the 6 designs that are shown here, and you're going to get 1 of each one in that gorgeous foil. Look at that, all over. Got the dots, we've got some beautiful swirls, my favorite design, snowflakes falling, and some holly. There's also a cutting die that looks like that. And this too is on a padded sheet. So there we've got more of the snowflakes and all over design. Then you're going to have the same thing 3 times in a pearl foil. So I hope you can see that. So it's going to be the same designs in this beautiful tone-on-tone look. And when you see the webisode, you're going to see some beautiful projects. So I'm really not going to flip through all of these because you get the idea. It's a tone-on-tone. It's got a shimmer and shine to it with the pearl, and it is the same artwork that we saw in the foiling. So 48 of those, but wait, there's more. There is also this A4 luxury matte mirror card. Now let me open this up, and here we go. There are 24 sheets, and then you kind of get this bonus of a couple of them. So you get these because they needed those to look so you could see it on the front. So you're going to get 6 sheets of this light blue, kind of a blue frost. Then you're going to get 6 sheets of the regular blue. So think of this as light blue or frosty blue, and this is a blue. And then you're going to get 6 of the silver. So this is, as I said, a luxury mirror matte cardstock. All of these work perfectly together. And if you'll watch our webisode, you can see them all coordinated with the matching things.